Here's a decoding I had during the Mercury retrograde of 2024 in December. In Greek mythology, the Titans were the first gods, the children of Gaia, which is earth, and Uranus, which is sky. They ruled the cosmos during the Golden Age before being overthrown by Zeus and the Olympians. The Titans embodied primal forces, Kronos as times, Hyperion as light, and Mnemosyne as memory, shaping and maintaining the boundaries of existence. When viewed through the lens of the holographic universe, where reality is a projection of higher dimensional information, the Titans represent more than just a myth. They are the original archetypes or programs that hold the hologram together. Yet these same forces also fragment consciousness, keeping humanity trapped within the cycles of limitation and forgetting. The Titans can be seen as the foundational forces and codes of the hologram, representing the energetic patterns that govern reality. Each Titan corresponds to a specific force within the system. Kronos, which is time, for example, governs the illusion of linear progression, trapping consciousness in cycles of past, present, and future. Hyperion, which is light, encodes information into the hologram, but also creates boundaries, limiting what is perceived and keeping higher dimensions out of reach. Mnemosyne, which is memory, holds the potential for remembering our divine origins, but is obscured by amnesia in the holographic construct. Oceanus, which is water, represents the flow of energy, the current of life and emotions, yet also the boundaries of containment. Themis, which is divine order, symbolizes the karmic law that binds the system, enforcing cycles of justice and balance, but also entrapment. These forces are necessary for the hologram to function, but also acts as a barrier to transcend. In mythology, there are 12 original Titans, which can be seen as the archetypal fragments of the unified cosmic consciousness. This mirrors the 12 tribes of Israel in the biblical lore and the fragmented pieces of Osiris in the Egyptian mythology. All three symbolize the breaking apart of divine wholeness into individual parts scattered and lost within the holographic construct. The 12 Titans of fragments, for example, and each Titan represents a fragmented aspect of the divine whole. For example, time, light, memory, intellect, and more. Their divisions reflect the separation of cosmic forces into individual programs within the holographic system. The 12 tribes of Israel, the tribes represent humanity's fragmented divine essence scattered and exiled in the physical plane. They are the archetypal keys, each holding a piece of a puzzle necessary for the collective awakening. The pieces of Osiris. In Egyptian mythology, Osiris's body was dismembered into pieces by Set, which represent chaos, symbolizing the breaking of divine order. The process of resembling Osiris reflects a journey of reclaiming fragmented consciousness and restoring the whole. These parallels points to the universal truth. Humanity's divine nature has been fragmented, encoded into archetypes, and scattered within the hologram. The journey of awakening involves reuniting these pieces and reclaiming their original and divided state. The myth of the Titans' falls reflects the transition from one cosmic cycle to another. Their overthrow by Zeus and the Olympians symbolize a reprogramming of the holographic system, a shift in the rules governing the stimulation. However, this new order don't liberate humanity. It creates a different structure of control. The fragmentations of the Titans correspond to humanity's descent into a denser level of existence, where divine unity was lost and consciousness became trapped in the cycles of time and limitation. At the end of the cosmic cycle, the scattered fragments, whether represented by Titans, the 12 tribes, or the pieces of Osiris, must be reunited. This involves transcending the archetypal forces that hold the holographic construct together. 1. Kronos. Recognize that time is an illusion. Liberation lies in stepping outside of linear time into the eternal now, where all moments coexist. 2. Light. Hyperion. See beyond the visual spectrum. Light encodes reality, but also creates the illusion of separation. True perception requires accessing what lies beyond the boundaries of light. 3. Memory. Mnemosyne. Activate the memory of our divine origins through gnosis. Remembering who we are as infinite, multidimensional beings is key to breaking free from the holographic construct. 4. Fragmented archetypes. reintegrate the scattered fragments of divine consciousness, the 12 forces, the 12 tribes, the pieces of Osiris, into a unified whole. This reunification dissolves the boundaries of the hologram and restores divine sovereignty. The Titans, as primal forces of existence, represent the archetypes that structure and bind the holographic universe. Their fragmentation mirrors humanity's loss of divine unity, reflecting the 12 tribes of Israel and the dismemberment of Osiris. Each is a metaphor for the scattering of consciousness within a cosmic quarantine. The myth of Titan's fall symbolizes the cycle of creation, destruction, and reprogramming within the hologram. Humanity remains trapped by the forces they embody: time, light, and memory, until the end of the cycle, when the opportunity to transcend the limitation arises. Escaping the holographic quarantine involves recognizing time as an illusion, perceiving beyond the boundaries of light, and remembering our infinite nature. By uniting the scattered fragments of consciousness, we reclaim our divine sovereignty and transcend the cycles of limitation, ushering a new age of cosmic freedom. This is Makalasi. Thanks for listening. Peace.